If you go to a dance performance and you like movement, you somehow want to move along. You actually maybe feel like you could dance a little bit better than you actually can, but it's taking in some of that. I love being in artist studios, just seeing their supplies, like people who like woodworking, like to see other people woodworking. And sometimes even when you don't know that medium or form, there's still something about seeing people interact with something that isn't predefined and make what they're making. And then the other part would be the exposure and interaction by someone who thinks very differently. And then in a legal sense, like I'd like to try to give an example of what this could look like in the legal space. Let's say you bring actors in and you would not give them the assignment like role play mediation or role play difficult customer conversation that are all very output work based, right? They're related to existing work process. But what if you bring those artists in or actors in to walk and be in the space for a while? And they might start to, like, maybe you've seen that in public space or in a shopping mall where there's kind of, I forgot the word, but when something's happening, it's a surprise and they're part of an act, a performance. Maybe they start to move differently. Maybe they walk a lot faster. Maybe they slow down. They can change the pace of how people are moving. And then maybe there is some kind of theater workshop that then you could then apply to how do you use this in presentations? How do you use this in working with clients? How do you use this in working in the courtroom? But I think the difference is it's not a training that is mimicking the skill set in the context that you need it for, but it's showing something in a different context to open up that experiment and then bring it back into your work role.